Hello student, this is next topic, Rodriguez formula after legendary equation. Okay, the legendary polynomial of order n is also given by Pn of x, that is 1 upon 2 raised to n factorial d by dx of n into x square minus 1 whole raised to n. This result is known as Rodriguez formula. Okay, now using this Rodriguez formula, let us solve one problem to show that P4 of cos theta is equal to 1 upon 64, 35 cos 4 theta plus 20 cos 2 theta plus 9. Now, here using Rodriguez formula, let us solve. Formula, first of all, you write down 1 upon 2 raised to n factorial d by dx of n x square minus 1 whole raised to n. Okay, here n is what? P4 they asked to find 4. Wherever n is there, 4 you substitute. Okay, now this will be whole raised to 4 now. Okay, it means we have to differentiate this x square minus 1 how many times? 4 times. Okay, so 1 upon 2 raised to 4, 4 factorial, d raised to 4, dx raised to 4. Wherever n is there, I have put 4. Okay, x square minus 1 whole raised to 4. Before differentiate this x square minus whole raised to 4, let us simplify this. Open the bracket, x square minus 4 whole raised to 4. We can simplify here. See, x square minus whole square will be x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1. So you have to multiply this x square minus 1, x square minus 1. Okay, so you are getting x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1 whole square because it is raised to 4. Okay, now this we can use the formula to split x plus y plus z whole square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz 2zx. This is the formula. Now with x raised to x square, so x raised to 4 whole square is x raised to 8. Okay, using this formula you can split this term minus 2x square, so it will be 4x raised to 4 plus 1. Okay, 2xy, this and this we have to multiply, so minus 4x raised to 6. Okay, then this and this, so minus 4x square plus 2x raised to 4. So when you add this 4x raised to 4, 2x raised to 4, 6x raised to 4, and this you can keep as it is. Okay, now let us put this whole term here in place of x square minus 1 whole raised to 4, that is x raised to 8 minus 4x raised to 6 plus 6x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 1. Now let us differentiate this each term 4 times. So this is 16 into 24 as it is. X raised to 8, when you differentiate 4 times, see, x raised to 8 differentiation is what? 8 into x raised to 7. This is one time differentiation. Second time differentiation, 8 keep as it is. X raised to 7 differentiation is 7 x raised to 6. Right? Now 8 and 7 keep as it is. X raised to 6 differentiation is 6 x raised to 5. This is third time differentiation. So you can see the pattern. Look at this pattern. You are getting 8, 7, 6. Okay, then we'll get 5 into x raised to 4. So differentiation of x raised to 8 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 x raised to 4. So no need to differentiate here like this. Okay, now that we have to substitute in place of x raised to 8. That is what? Now multiply two terms numbers. 8 7s are 56. 6 into 5 is 30. X raised to 4. Now 4x raised to 6 differentiation, 4 keep as it is. X raised to 6 differentiation, you can write down the pattern 6 5 4 3 x square. So multiply all this and write down here plus third one 6x raised to 4 differentiate, 6 keep as it is, 4 3 2 1, so it will be a constant, so no x term we will be getting. Right, this you multiply and write as. Now we cannot differentiate this 4 times, it will be a constant only, 0 you are getting there. So whatever the differentiation less than 4, okay, so skip that and write down this 3 term differentiation. So 1 upon 2. Now see, in this throughout this we can divide it by 8. Okay, so see, when you divide it by 8, so 1 upon 8 2s are 16, right? 24 keep as it is. 8 7s are 56, 30 keep as it is. 8 3s are 24, 30 x square. So I am dividing throughout this by 8. So 6 keep as it is. 8 3s are 24. Now again you can see here, you can divide again it by 6, right? So 6 4s are 24, 7 keep as it is, 6 5s are 30, x raised to 4 minus 3 keep as it is, 6 10s are 60 x square, 6 gone plus 3. Now multiply, 7 5s are 34, x raised to 4, 30 x square plus 3. Now they asked to prove cos 4 theta in terms of cos, right? Put x is equal to cos. So 1 by 8, 35 x raised to 4 theta minus 30 x raised cos square theta plus 3. Now this cos raised to 4 theta we can write cos square theta whole square minus cos square theta plus 3. Let us simplify. You know that cos square theta formula 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2, that we will substitute here. See, 35 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2 whole square is there minus 30, again cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2 plus 3. Okay, I have substituted the formula. Now further simplify 35 as it is. 1 plus cos 2 theta whole square formula, a plus b whole square formula you can apply here. 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta upon 2 square is 4 minus 30. So you can divide 2 ones are 2 15s are, right? So 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 3. Now 1 by 8, 35 as it is. Okay, then 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta, cos square 2 theta, again formula you apply. 1 plus cos 4 theta upon 2 it will be. Now this you multiply, 15 multiply with this and subtract by 3, you will get minus 12, right? So this keep as this 2 multiply with this, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4 cos 2 theta plus 1 plus cos 4 theta, 2 will come in the denominator 8 minus 15 cos 2 theta minus 12. Okay, now open this bracket, okay, and simplify. You will get that 35 cos 4 theta plus 20 cos 2 theta plus 9.